Clapperboard how to upload video to ChatGPT, quick and easy. Hey everyone, want to upload a video to ChatGPT? Here is exactly how to do it in under a minute. Let's go. First, make sure you are on a Plus, Pro, or Team plan because free accounts do not support video uploads. Then update your ChatGPT app to the latest version on iOS or Android. Once you are ready, open ChatGPT, start a new chat, and tap the paperclip attachment icon in the chat bar. Select your video file, MP4 or MOV works best, wait for it to upload, type your question, and hit send. ChatGPT will analyze your video and respond instantly. On desktop, same thing, go to chat.com, click the attachment icon, select your video, and prompt away. If your upload keeps failing, here is the best workaround. Paste your YouTube video link directly into the chat, or use a free transcription tool like otter.ai, convert your video to text. Paste it into ChatGPT and ask your question from there. And always use a specific prompt, don't just say say summarize this in 5 bullet points. You will get way better results, that is it. Like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Clipboard quick recap, step action 1 upgrade to Plus. Pro or Team, 2 tap paperclip and upload video, 3 paste YouTube link as shortcut, 4 use transcription tools as backup.